In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an account type in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple accounts or simply need to recategorize an existing one, this tutorial is here to help you navigate the process with ease. First, let's get started by accessing QuickBooks Online. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to sign up first. Once you've got your account ready, it's time to sign in. Simply go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page and log in with your credentials. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage all your financial data. Once you're signed in, you might need to go through a quick security step. Click on "I'm not a robot" to verify your identity, then hit Continue. Entering your password and continuing may seem repetitive, but it ensures the security of your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose the company file you want to work with. QuickBooks allows you to manage multiple sets of financial records, so make sure you're working with the right one by selecting it from the available options. After selecting your company file, head over to the dashboard. Look towards the upper right-hand corner where you'll see a gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on it to reveal more options. From here, you want to select Chart of Accounts. This is the magical place where all your accounts are listed, allowing you to manage them efficiently. Within the Chart of Accounts, you'll find a list of all your current accounts. Scroll or search for the account you wish to modify. Once you've found it, look to the Action column on the far right. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu marked by a small downward arrow next to Run Report. Click on that arrow and select Edit. Entering the Edit window allows you to make the necessary changes. Update the account type and detail type using the drop-down menus. This is your chance to reclassify your accounts accurately, whether for budgeting, reporting, or compliance purposes. If needed, you can also change the name or description to better reflect the new account type. Finally, after making all necessary adjustments, be sure to save your changes. It's crucial to click Save to ensure your updates are recorded. Otherwise, all those efforts could go to waste and you'd have to do it all again. With these steps, changing your account type in QuickBooks Online is straightforward and manageable. Remember, if you ever feel unsure about making these changes, QuickBooks offers comprehensive support and resources to guide you through accounting best practices. Following this instruction will help keep your financial records in order and your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.